Hi everyone, welcome to Thai Language Training Center, a video classroom, and this is Ablajan. Assalamu alaikum sağdaşlar. Gayet dil terbiyeleş merkezimizden sizin ders kanalına kelganinglarni qarshi olamiz. Endi bugun o'rganmoqchi bo'lgan darsimiz lesson 111, the most expensive model. Okay. Sağdaşlar biz bugün şu yeni uqum inglizce birinci qismniki 111 ders, yani the most expensive model degan shu darsni o'rganib o'tamiz. Qandaqda diqqatinglar shu ekranimizda bo'lsin. Hamda bugungi darsniki kitoblarniki 225 ders, yo'q 225 batna soni bo'ladi. Okay. Look at these pictures. Okay, ems qaranglar, ma bir uy qancha pul ekan sağdaşlar? 20 ming yuan, shunami? Ma yana bir sicho desanglar 2 million yuan. Shunami? 2 million yuanlik nima ekan desanglar, dach ekan, shunami? Okay. Endi mushul nima bo'ldi desanglar, mushul nima? Price. Okay, ems agish qaranglar, price. Okay, price. Ma birisining price necha? 20 ming, yana birisininchi 2 million. Demek müşahede price degan nima desanglar, mush o'ylarniki nimsa bahasi. Baha degan nima deyotganmiz desanglar, price. Okay, price. Andaqda, so can you afford the big house? Okay. So can you afford the big house? And me yerga big house deganimiz nima desanglar, cho'ng uy. Adətdə house deganimiz farqliq bo'ldi. Sağdaşlar, ko'pincha bir qavatlik, ikki qavatlik uylarni adətdə house deymiz. Masalan, ping-pong uylarni, ondan sirт masalan dachlarni nima deymiz? House deymiz, house deymiz. Ondan keyin bino uyni atashni keyingi darslarimizda o'rganamiz. Okay, endi misharki afford. Okay, and afford deganimiz nima desanglar? You have enough money to buy something. Okay. Nima degan gap desanglar? Bir narsa sotib olishga yetarlik puli bo'lish. Okay. Demakchi afford degan shu chiqish qila olmak, sotib ola olmak degan gap. So, can you afford the big house? Cho'ng uyni sotib ola olamsiz? Demakchi sotib olishga yetarlik pulingiz bormi? Okay. Andaqda qaranglar. So, who can afford the big one? Okay. Who can afford the big one? Okay. And sizlarcha mushu cho'ng uylarni sotib olishga kim chiqish qila oladi? Okay, of course, it's a millionaire. Okay. And some so'z qarasanglar, savollashsa million degan gap. Millionaire. Okay, millionaire deganimiz nima? Millioner degan gap, Millionaire. Okay, akshonlar. Yaxshi, akshonlar. Millionaire. Good. Millionaire, okay? Millionaire deganimiz nima? A person who has £1 million, dollars, RMBs, etc. Demakchi, shu million pul bor odamda millionaire. Demakchi, boy odam shunami? Such as look at this picture. Nima? The world millionaires. Ma'lum nima desanglar? The Forbes list. Shu Forbes ninki nima boylar tartibi. Birinchisidan Bill Gates shunami? Okay, degandek. Boylar. Okay. Andaqda qarab olsak, so how can you buy a house if you can pay for it at one time? Okay. And sağdaşlar, agar bir uyning pulini bir qatimdalam to'layolmasanlar, zade uni qanday sotib olasizlar? How can you buy? How can you buy? How can you buy? Okay. Maybe you can buy it on installments. Okay, miyariki on installments. Okay, on installments. And miyariki installment deganimiz nima desanglar, savollashlar, you borrow some money from bank to buy something and pay the money back monthly. Okay, monthly. Okay, maybe you can look at this. Such as like Mr. Bean, first borrow some money from the bank, okay, and then buy a big house, okay, and then pay back monthly. Bu nima desanglar, men sxemani ko'rib olishga bo'ladiki, purchaq qapadim qanday qilibdi? Avval borrow money from the bank. Bankdan qanday pulni o'tnabdi, qarz olibdi, shunami? Undan keyin qanday qilibdi? Uyni sotib olibdi, big house, nima? Undan keyin desanglar, pay back monthly. Monthly degan oyma-oy, tushunami? Oyma-oy. Demakchi, mushu nima desanglar? Installments. Okay? Demakchi, bir narsani muddatga bo'lib topshirish usuli orqali qanday qilish setib olish. Arada masalan sizlarni to'rda mal setib olgan shunaqa qilgan bo'ldi-ku, agar sizlarniki inovatlik karta, buni credit card deymiz, ha. Credit card anglab bo'lsa, qanday qila olasizlar? Bir narsani muddatga bo'lib topshira olasiz. Bo'lish usuli orqali qanday qilib setib olasizlar. Yoki uy setib olgan shunaqa, masalan, shu muqim xizmati va mala qanday qilib o'rasanglar, bankdan qarz olish orqali, nima, uy qarz olish orqali qanday qildi setib oldi, undan keyin oyma-oy qanday qildi topshirdi. Shunday setib olishni nima deymiz? Buy something on installments. Okay, nima deymiz? Buy something on installments. Installment. Good. Installment. Aytasiz, installment. All right. Okay, andaqda shu abayqi dersimizga intayim muhim nuqtalarmi so'zliklar tugadi. Andaqda shu tekstimizga diqqat qilsak savolashlar. Okay. Hamsa tekst qaranglar. Agar kitob yananglari bo'lsa 225-bet nassan bo'ldi. Yana o'qib ingliz tili birinchi qismniki. Okay. Hamsa avval sizlar shu videodagi sindiki anglash qismini bir anglanglar. Anlagandan keyin endi sizlar qanday desanglar bir necha tutashtirish mashq va shuni qilgan gap. Okay. Okay, endi ma savol qaranglar savolashlar. Ma bir necha savol bor. First listen or read and then answer these questions. Masalan, first question is what are they going to buy? Okay, ular nima setib olmoqchi? What are they going to buy? Okay. And the second question is how much does it cost? How much qanchalik does it cost? U qanchalik pul ketadi? Demakchi necha pul shu setib olgan narsa. Okay. Undan keyin nima desanglar? How much is the less expensive one? Okay, and azaraq necha pul? Okay, shunami? Or does Mr. Frith like this model? Okay, like this model degandaka. Andaqda boshda savolashlar shuni keyingan durayli. Andaqda sizlar shu bugungi darsimizdan teksini nayt ko'ngil qo'yib bir anglasanglar, anglagandan keyin sizlardan savol so'rayman.
Lesson 111. The most expensive model. Listen to the tape, then answer this question. Can Mr. Frith buy the television on installments? How does it work? I like this television very much. How much does it cost?
It's the most expensive model in the shop. It costs £500.
That's too expensive for us. We can't afford all that money.
This model's less expensive than that one. It's only £300, but, of course, it's not as good as the expensive one.
I don't like this model. The other model's more expensive, but it's worth the money. Can we buy it on installments?
Of course. You can pay a deposit of £30 and then £14 a month for 3 years.
Do you like it, dear?
I certainly do, but I don't like the price. You always want the best, but we can't afford it. Sometimes you think you're a millionaire.
Millionaires don't buy things on installments.
Alright guys, so let's start. Okay. And mavi savollarning javobini hozir men bu nahmaydanlam deb aytmay. Sizlar qaysi savol bilan javob bersanglar bo'ldi desanglar, birga bizningki shu yaqinda e'lon qilingan update ta'limimizningki ovoz orqali un qaytirish iqtidori bor-ku. Shuni naq shu o'zimizningki shu darsiga to'g'rilab, shuningki tegiga shu baho yozish deganga ovozli qo'shir qaytarsanglar bo'ladi. Ikkinchidan yana qanday desanglar, shu darsligimizni anglayotgan bo'lsanglar, Şu ekran aslı qarasanglar, şu bizningki g'oya to'r ma'rifiningki Tыңшын darsxonasi, şu Tыңшыннingki darsxonasida, yana shu bayiz ishni so'rachu, shu yerga sizlar baho shaklida mushuninki javobini qilsanglar va yoki bizningki shu Yىڭى ingliz tilininki nima so'rasanglar bir top bacu ünlüler topu yoki QQ topu shu orqali qaytarsanglar bo'ldi. Birinchi savol ma'vo arkadaşlar, ikkinchi savol ma'vo how much does it cost? Uchinchi savol nima desanglar how much is the less expensive one? To'rtinchisi does Mr. Frith like this model? Yaxshi. Aniqda shu true yoki false degan bir arif yaqinlar. Okay, sizlarning to'g'rimi yoki xatomi? True, to'g'ri, false deganimiz nima? Xato. Nimaga asosan? According to the text. Sizlarningki shu tekstga asosan qanday qilinglar desangiz, to'g'ri xato qilin. Birinchisi, the most expensive model costs 400 pounds. Is it true or false? Okay, it's false, right? It costs 500 pounds. So they can afford all that money? They can? No, they cannot. Shunama? Shunla on installment buy something on installment qiladi. Shunama? Okay. Mr. Frith thinks the less expensive one is not as good as the expensive one. Mr. Frith deydiki, shu azam birisi, qimmat birisdek yaxshi emas deydi. To'g'rimi? Yeah, it's true, right? And Mrs. Frith likes the model, but she doesn't like the price. Is it true or false? True, right? I like it, but I don't like the price. Millionaires don't buy things on installments. Is it true? Yes, albatta. Boylar unda qilmaydi da, shunami? Pul bo'lgandan setib oldi. Okay. Andaqda let's tell the story. Okay. Amsa, avval Mushi hikayemizde, anlığa hikayemizde bir eğiz tılığa aylandırıp qanaq baqaylı bolalar, dep baqaylı, şunama? Okay. Anda birinci cümlesini depta, şu tekst qarasanglar bo'ldi, arkadaşlar. I like this television very, very much. Okay? And like something, like degan shu yoqtirmoq, shunama? Men bu televizorni yoqtirdim. Very much, very nice, much. Degan nice ko'p. Demak, men bu televizorni intayin yoqtirdim degan gap, ha? Demek ki bu dersini texnik qanday qildi desanglar ashurda. Masalan, thank you very much. Sizga ko'pdan ko'p rahmat. Demek ki men bu televizorni intayin qanday qildim? Yoqtirdim. Shunami arkadaşlar? Okay. Masalan, shunday o'xshash ifodalarni yana ingliz tilida deb ishlasanglar bo'ldi desanglar, be crazy about something. Okay. Endi be degan be shunday amizor degan gap. Masalan, I am crazy about English. Men ingliz tiliga nayti saranglacha qanda aşk. Men crazy degan asabiy degan gap, about degan to'g'risida, demakchi men bo'lsam ingliz til to'g'risida sarang. Bu degan gap hamda ingliz tilining sarangi yoki demakchi men shuni asabiylarcha omroq degan gap. Masalan, hey, I'm crazy about you. Men sana vahşi yaxshi ko'raman. Demakchi I love you demakchi. Shunami? And I'm crazy about English bo'lsa men ingliz tilida intayin qanda amroq degan gap bo'ladi. Okay. Demakchi I like this television very much. Demakchi I'm crazy about this television desak, qanday desanglar bo'ladi. Va bek yoqtirib qoldim, yoqtirdim. Shunami? Okay, and how much? Okay, how much? Qanchalik? Much deganimiz hamda sanag'ini bo'lmaydigan aslida. Does it cost? Demakchi pulni sanag'ili bo'lmag'achqa, o'sha how much does it cost? How much does it cost deganimiz hamda shu sarf qilmoq, xarjlamak shunami? Demakchi buningga nech pul xarjlandi? Demakchi bu nech pul degan gap. Odatda ingliz tilida yana bu nech pul degani how much is it mi deb qo'yamiz. How much is it? How much is it? yoki how much does it cost? Okay, and assistant debtuki, demakchi assistant degan prikaz sectionavi, demakchi dukkanlardagi sizlarga masalan shu mal tanishtiruvchilarni odatda deymiz, assistant deymiz. It's the most expensive model in the shop. Demakchi the most ko'pincha shu ko'p bo'g'imliq so'zlarga, masalan expensive bularga selektirmaydi, expensive yoki expensivest degan olmaydi, shunami? Shuningga men keldi most, the most eng degan gap, the most expensive, eng qimmati, shunami? U bo'lsa eng qimmat model. Xo'sh, Hani bu yerge model degenimiz nima desanglar, sağlaşlar, bu tipi. Demek ki her xil televizorlarning tipi bo'ligi, masalan, ma xil tipdagi, ma tipdagi har xil tipiga asosan o'xshamasliklarininki nima? Nima o'xshamay, ba'zilari Wi-Fi ni qo'llaydi, ba'zilari undaq degan, bundaq degan, buningki Android sistemlar degandek-chi, tiplar o'xshamaydi. Demak, model deganimiz shuning tipi. Okay? Model in the shop, it costs 500 pounds. O 500 fon sterling deydi. Endi hozirgi sharoitda bala 500 fon sterling degan taxminan 5000 ko'ydan ortiqroq pul. Masalan 10-20 yil ilgari kamda 5000 ko'y degan endi xali kuchi va vaqtli o endi pul deganniki. Ammo xali jiq pul ma'ni. Bu 500 ko'y ekan qo'y deyman. 500 fon sterling. Pounds degan Angliyaning pul birligi. Hozir taxminan 11 ko'y atrofida. It costs 500 pounds. Okay. Demek ki most'ni keyinda nima keldi? Sifat keladi. Sifatlarninki nima? The most eng yuqori darajasi. Masalan, the most beautiful, eng chiroyli. Shunami? The most expensive, eng qimmat. Shunami? Degandek. Okay. And Mrs. Miss Frest xonim debdi-ki, that's too expensive for us. Okay, endi bu yerga to deganimiz nima edi? Odatda sizlarni bir xil narozi qilgan, rozi qilmagan, demak, sizlarning o'ylig'ining aksicha bo'lsqanda desanglar, to'ni it's too expensive. Demakchi, bu sal bir narozilikni ifodaladi, shundami bu yerda? Okay, demakchi u vahshiy qimmatgan bu, shundami? We can't afford all that money. Bu pulning hammasiga all that money. Qanday qilolmaymiz? Chiqish qilib olmaymiz. Bunda pul yo'q deydi. And an assistant debdi, this model is less expensive than that one. And demak less deganimiz hamda qimmatmi derdi, tushunami? Demakchi aniq qaraganda uncha qimmat emas. Demakchi azaraq deydi, tushunami? Okay. It's only 300 pounds. U faqatlam 300 pound sterling. Okay, hamda misharki only faqat, tushunami? 300 pounds. But of course, biroq albatta, tushunami? But of course, it's not as good as the expensive one. Okay, mer as takmeti. Demakchi nimadek qimmat birsidek yaxshi emas. Mush azdan o'tirishdan nima keldi valla? Sifat keladi. Az jegoning oldida natni qetib qo'ysak, mush inkor bo'ldi. Ma'ni birdamdan keyin bizningki mush language focus degan nuqtamizda intayin tafsiliy to'xtalamiz. Ma'ni mushni tushunib tursanlar, zo'rlashdan. Okay. Qaranglar, Mrs. First though, it doesn't, I don't like this model. The other model is more expensive. Nima deydi? Men bu tipni qanday qilmadim? Yoqtirmadim. The other models, boshqa tiplar qanday ekan? More expensive. Texmo qimmatgan. But it's worth the money. Okay. It's worth. Okay? Worth degan arziydi. It's worth. U arziydi. Nimaga? The money. O pulga arziydi ekan, shunami? Masalan, it's worth doing. Qilmoq etmak. U qilishga qanday qildi? Arziydi. Okay. It's worth seeing. O ko'rishga arziydi, shunaqo? Okay, it's worth visiting. Visiting deganimiz ziyorat qilish. Ko'rish, shunaqo? Ziyorat qilishga qanday qildi? Arziydi. Demak, it's worth deganimiz arziydi. Masalan, it's worth 1 RMB. O bir qo'yga arziydi. Demak, shu bir qo'yliq degan gap, shunami? And Mrs. First said, can we buy it on installments? Okay, ko'ringlar, installment degan nima edi? Shu muddatga bo'lib pul topshirish, shunday qilib setib olsak bo'lamdi, desa, of course, you can pay a deposit of. Qat ansonlar qaranglar, bu yerga deposit. And the deposit deganimiz hamda, masalan, har qanday narsa muddatga bo'lib topshirganda, avval topshiradigan sizlarning pulinglar oldin topshirilgan pulni nima deymiz desanglar, deposit deymiz. Bu deposit amaliyotda masalan ximiylik narsa cho'kma degan gapchu. Endi demakchi shu oldin topshirilgan rayoni pul yoki oldin topshirilgan pulni nima? Deposit deymiz. 30 pounds and then 14 pounds a month for 3 years. Endi avval 30 pound sterling topshirsizlar, hamda yiga 14 pound sterlingdan qanchalik 3 yilcha to'lasanglar for 3 years. Taxminan 3 yilcha to'lasanglar bo'ldi-da. Mr. First, do you like it, dear? Qadrlikim, yoqtirdingizmi? Mr. First, I certainly do, but I don't like the price. Oy, albatta men yoqtirdim, lekin uning bahasini yoqtirdim. You always want the best, but we can't afford it. Nima? Sen doim qana qilsa, eng yaxshisin deysan, lekin qana biz to'layolmaymiz deydi. Sometimes you think you are a millionaire. Ba'zida o'zingizni nima deb chaqlaysiz deydi? Millioner chaqlaysiz. Nima? Okay. Mr. Festevdana, millionaires don't buy things on installments. Millionerlar hargizmi qanaqa qilmaydi? Muddatga bo'lib topshirish orqali bir narsa setib olmaydi deydi. Millionaires don't buy things on installments. Alright guys, so let's look at the language focus. Okay, endi bugungi darsimizning intayin muhim nuqtasini bir ko'rib o'taylik. Okay, and birinchi how much? Qancha, tushunami? Endi bu nima edi? How much does it cost? O zaten nech pul ketadi. Nech pul demakchi, tushunami? Endi men yerga shu bahsni so'raganda qanday so'raymiz savodashlar ingliz tilida? Masalan, abay degandek, masalan how much does it cost, tushunami? Yoki how much is it? Va yoki nima? What is the price of it? Masalan, what is the price of TV? What is the price of something? Tushunami? Uningki bahs nech pul degandek. Okay, anda Kingston. But of course, it's not nima? It's not as good as the expensive one. And mushu as mushu qurilma qanday desanlar, mushu tak degan gap. Masalan, ikki narsani so'rasa, masalan, Bob and Jack, mushu ikkilisi qanday desanlar, o'xshash cho'ng desan, masalan, Bob is as big as nima Jack. Demakchi, ikkisidan cho'nglik asosan tang degan gap. Demakchi, mushni inkor qilsanlar qanday desanlar, mush azdan oldiga not bilan qaytaversanlar inkor bo'ladi. Masalan, Bob is not as good as Jack. Not as old as Jack. Tushunami? Demakchi, mushu as old as deganimiz qanday desanlar intayin bo'lma. Bob is as old as Jack degan cho'nglik ish tang degan gap, tushunami? And Bob is not as old as Jack deganchi, uni yeshi tang emas degan gap. Demak shu inkorga naqatimiz. Okay. Anstapanglar bugun tungankidek uncha sovuq emas bo'lsa-chi, nima? As cold as yesterday, shunami? Tungankidek sovuq. Endi notnallik qilib bersak nima desanlar? Masalan, today is not as cold as yesterday. Yesterday. Okay. Aniqta qaranglar, mana ko'k yulduz bilan yeshil yulduz o'xshash nima? Demakchi blue star is as big as the green one. Demakchi yeshil bir staqanda tam. Endi qaranglar, men yerga men nashputli bilan olma vaqti fresh ekan, lekin nashput not qanday fresh ekan. Shunga nima desanlar? Masalan, the pears are not as fresh as the apples. The apples. Okay. Alright guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you want to get further information about our class, and you can visit our website, gayakeqq.com or gayacn. Thank you. See you next time. Goodbye.